These viral AI videos are absolutely taking over social media right now, and honestly, I'm obsessed. You've probably seen them everywhere. People setting themselves on fire, duplicating into multiple versions, or creating these insane cinematic effects that look like they cost thousands to produce. Well, now I'm about to show you exactly how to create these amazing videos yourself using just one tool. I'm going to walk you through the complete process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral-worthy content that'll have your followers asking, how did you do that? The tool behind all of these incredible effects is called Higgsfield, and if you wish to create viral videos like these yourself, click the link in the description to sign up. First, when you land on the homepage, you might feel a little overwhelmed, because there's honestly a lot going on here. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly where to go. Scroll down until you see the visual effects section and click on that. Then you'll immediately see why these videos are going viral. Look at all these incredible options. You've got the flame effect I used in the beginning of the video, the freeze transformation, money rain, and so many more. Each one of these can turn a simple photo into something that looks like it belongs in a movie. There's also the duplicate effect, where you can create multiple versions of yourself. The variety is honestly endless. Let me show you some examples of what people are creating with this tool. This incredible music video with the synchronized dance moves and neon lighting, that's all Higgsfield. The way the performers move so fluidly, the perfect lighting effects, the cinematic quality, it's absolutely stunning. And remember that coffee video with the ice cream drop that went viral on Instagram? Higgsfield created that beautiful effect that had everyone asking how they did it. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Let's create our own viral video together. I'm going to use the money rain effect because who doesn't want to look like they're surrounded by falling cash? Click on money rain and you'll see it opens up this creation panel. For the best results, you want a clear photo where you're the main focus. I'm going to use this photo of me in my studio. Make sure your lighting is good and you're clearly visible because this directly affects how realistic your final video looks. Avoid busy backgrounds or photos where you're too far away. Next, select your duration. I recommend starting with 6 seconds since it's long enough to see the full effect, but short enough to keep viewers engaged. Change the resolution to 1080p for that high quality look. Now click generate and let's see what happens. Look at that. The money is falling around me so realistically and the lighting automatically adjusted to make everything look cinematic. This is the kind of content that keeps people watching on social media. What I love about this is how natural everything looks. The money has proper physics, everything interacts with the lighting correctly, and I stay completely consistent throughout the entire video. But let me show you another effect that's been going absolutely viral. I'm going to try the invisible effect with a different photo. Watch how Higgsfield makes me gradually disappear, starting from the top until I'm completely transparent. What's incredible is how it maintains the lighting and shadows even when I'm fading away. You can even see my outline and the way light hits where I should be. It's the kind of transformation that gets millions of views. Now, here's a different feature you can use to speed this process up by a lot. You can create unlimited AI images of yourself in any environment, which means you can recreate any template you see or create completely original scenarios. Head back to the homepage and hover on character. You'll see 3 options here, but we're going with Soul ID character. This is where you'll upload what's called a dataset, which is basically a collection of photos of yourself. For the best results, you want variety, so include front-facing shots, side profiles, different expressions, and different locations. I recommend uploading at least 20 photos for the best results. Include some where you're smiling, some serious expressions, photos in different lighting, and definitely some side profile shots. The AI needs to see your face from every angle to create consistent results. The more photos you give Higgsfield, the better it can recreate you in different scenarios. You can upload up to 70 images, and Higgsfield will actually rank them to tell you which ones are excellent quality. This helps ensure your AI character looks as realistic as possible. Enter your name and click generate. This process takes a few minutes, but it's creating a custom AI version of you that you can use in unlimited scenarios. Once your character is ready, you can recreate any viral template you see online. Let's say you want to recreate one of the templates from Higgsfield. Right-click on the template image and select Open Image in New tab. Download that image to your computer. Now go back to your Characters tab and drag that downloaded image into the creation area. You'll notice the prompt box disappears because Higgsfield is using the image as reference instead. It's absolutely incredible how accurate this is. I actually did this with this stylish crosswalk photo. I downloaded that image, uploaded it to my character character section, and Higgsfield perfectly recreated the whole aesthetic, but with me as the main character. Same cozy outfit, good lighting, but now it's me in that beautiful scene. You can literally take any cool image you see online and put yourself right into that exact scenario. Higgsfield has even more advanced features that can take your content to the next level. If you click Soul in the creation interface, you'll see different video models available. The effects we've been using come from the Higgsfield model, which has the most popular effects, but you also have access to other models like Minimax, Seedance, and VO3. Each model specializes in something different, giving you even more creative options. Minimax is very good for more artistic and stylized effects, while Seedance is better at creating smooth camera movements and transitions. VO3 is amazing for realistic human movements and expressions. I love switching between these models depending on what kind of vibe I'm going for in my content. You can even combine effects using the mix feature. Select 2 different effects and Higgsfield will blend them together. Let me actually show you this in action. I'm going to combine the turning metal effect with levitate to create something totally unique. I'll set the metal transformation to about 70% and the levitation effect to 85%. What this creates is this incredible scene where I'm floating in the air while my body gradually transforms into this shimmering metallic surface. The way Higgsfield blends these effects together is amazing, and the final result looks straight out of a movie. The only thing I noticed is that it didn't turn my face into metal, but everything else looks good. You can always hit rerun until you get your desired result. For more professional looking content, you can explore the camera controls section. You've got traditional cinematic movements like crane shots, zoom-ins, and tracking shots, which are the same techniques used in actual film production. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to use the crane up movement with a simple photo of me in a forest. The camera starts close to me and smoothly rises up to reveal the entire landscape around me. It's like having a professional film crew, but it's all AI. I also love the bullet time effect with the slow motion camera rotation that makes any basic pose look absolutely epic. What I love about this entire workflow is how you can see amazing results immediately. Every effect I've shown you renders quickly, and the quality is always impressive. The rendering time is usually under 2 minutes, which is incredibly fast compared to other AI video tools. This means you can experiment with different effects and create multiple versions without waiting around all day. The real secret to making viral videos isn't just using cool effects. It's about building a brand that people actually remember. When your content has this level of visual consistency and quality, people start recognizing your style. They know that when they see one of your videos, they're about to see something amazing. So now you know exactly how to create those viral AI videos that are taking over social media. And with Higgsfield, you can go from a simple photo to movie-level effects in just minutes. If you want to start creating this type of amazing content that stops people mid-scroll, then click the link in the description and try Higgsfield for yourself. And I'll see you in the next one.